Our topic is intrapreneurship. So, intrapreneurship means being an entrepreneur inside a company. So, exactly, intrapreneurship means it's when an employee thinks and works like an innovator, coming up with new ideas, products, or processes to help the company grow, just like an entrepreneur would in their own business. Now, why entrepreneurship matters? So, the three main reasons why entrepreneurship matters is it drives innovation, it accelerates growth, and it competitive edge. Now, how does the entrepreneurial mindset exactly looks like? So it is with more creative vision and then with high strategic problem solving and with resilience persistence, proactive initiative, calculative risk taking, collaborative leadership. Now, what are the organizational benefits of entrepreneurship? Like, what are the benefits provided by our organization for the entrepreneurs? Like, it enhances innovative pipeline and it is cost effective R&D, it is cultural transformation, it is talent retention and engagement, it is faster market response. So now navigating entrepreneurial challenges. So what are the challenges faced being as an entrepreneur or getting deep dive into entrepreneurship? So bureaucratic barriers, resistance to change, limited resource and support, risk averse culture. Now let us take one of the case study about Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google. Sundar Pichai at Google entrepreneurship is like Sundar Pichai is one of the best example of entrepreneurship in the world because he started Chrome browser in 2008 and then he developed it as Chrome OS, which is the extended version of Chrome in 2011, and then in 2013 with Android leadership, and finally in 2015 with all these qualities as the best entrepreneurship he became the CEO of Google, none other than Sundar Pichai. Now coming to the cultivating entrepreneurship in your organization. So how can we implement entrepreneurship in our organization? So the steps we can follow to implement entrepreneurship in our organization is like with innovative innovation programs like with more innovations like conducting some hackathons and ideathons etc, and with flexible work culture like most of the time should be given for implementing projects new ideas for the employees in our organization. Next, internal venture funding, like whenever an employee come up with an idea we have to make sure that we provide some funding to implement his idea. Leadership support and mentorship, so we have to make sure that we guide properly so that we can able to implement new ideas, and recognition and reward. So whoever try to implement an idea like an entrepreneur, then we have to recognize them and reward them. So future belongs to entrepreneurial organization. The best way to predict the future is to create it from within. So being an entrepreneur is a very best journey for the employees of an organization. Here, sustainable competitive advantage, employee empowerment, market leadership. So this is about entrepreneurship, which is one of the best thing for every organization. Thank you.